It's interesting to note that the S&P took out its January 24th lows in the after hours. It did not do that during the day session today. I didn't think it would do that until tomorrow. And so let's look at that when that happened. In the after hours, right at 4:43 Eastern time. So it dipped down there, took out those lows in the futures by a quarter of a point. The old low is 42.1275. If you remember, January the 24th was a huge reversal day, biggest reversal day since November of 2008, where it was down more than 4% and closed up on the day. And so a lot of euphoria, a lot of permabulls coming out and saying time to buy the dip. And the market retraced about 50% of its sell-off, and now it's rotated down and taken out these lows once again. It will be interesting to see what happens going forward. You see a obvious head and shoulders chart on the daily. That doesn't necessarily mean it's going down. One of the least reliable things about this market probably is that there's a head and shoulders pattern. The more reliable information about this market has to do with the fundamental picture of interest rates and Fed policy, as I'm sure you've heard over and over again. Same thing on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq already took out those lows. It took out those lows yesterday. So it took out those lows yesterday, took them out again more today. And so dip buyers getting crushed a little bit, and wanted to let you know about those lows because I was watching intraday. I said it won't take out those lows today. It was about 40 points above those lows, and then it got closer, about 20 points. And then after hours, eBay had its earnings, and I don't know if that affected the S&P though, but it continued to creep lower and took those out at 4:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It just popped a little bit, a couple 3 points. So it should be an interesting after hours session to see what happens in the after hours with these markets and into tomorrow, with 2 trading days left on this holiday shortened week. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.